Hello and welcome back to Reset Info. In this video I will show you how to change to a different recording mode on GoPro MAX 360. Let's begin! Wakey. Hello! So, the by default mode is the recording mode, which you can see right at the top, and there are actually two ways for you to change it. First, you can simply click on the icon at the top, but you can actually not only click it, you want to move it and do a little move like that. And then you can switch between, sorry about that, photo, video or time-lapse. As I said before, by default is the video. If you want to change to photo, you can just do it right here. And now we are inside photo mode and photo settings, which are also pretty different. And the same thing happens when we go towards our time-lapse. And as you can see, just tap on the recording to switch between real-time and time-warp. And also it has a different modes. But alternatively, you can also click the little button, which is known for power button, but you also notice that it's also written mode. So when we actually take this, let me just disable the auto rotation, so rotate it like that. You want to simply press it once to also move it to a different mode. Unfortunately, there aren't like custom bips, so you don't really know exactly which mode you are in. You just have to remember it. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.